It's the Dutton Ranch, quality Dutton Ranch loyalty, all right? It's the portable gas-fired bowl, all right? You can get this at your local Costco. It does not come with a propane tank, so you'd have to get your own. And I'm sure you have one sitting around. If not, just go buy yourself a tank. So let's open it up and let's take a look, all right? Looks like they pack it up pretty well here with the tape. Sorry for the shadow there from the sun. So it looks like here's the bag of the stone. All right, put that aside. We got a little ring here. This ring, I believe, is for the propane tank, which you would sit this down on the ground. And you would get your tank. You would place it on top. Unscrew this guy a little bit. Then you would bracket it in place. Let's see. There you go. Lay it flat. Then you would tighten this up, and it would squeeze and hold the tank in place. All right. Come back into the box. What else do we have? Looks like it's the bowl itself. All right, we got ourselves a part here. Looks like a handle and some instructions. This thing's pretty cool. Take this out. We got ourselves, it's tie wrapped a little bit right here. Let's cut the tie wraps off. Be sure not to scratch. Be sure not to scratch anything. Let's pull this out. Not bad. Check this out. All right. Let's get this box. Let's put this up on here so we can take a look at it. We got some others. One more thing it looks like. Looks like the lid. Tell you what, they do pack this well. All right, here's the lid. We'll put this over here. And we got that handle. Anything else in here? All right, nothing else in the box. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Cool, obviously it comes with the connection to your propane tank. It's got the Yellowstone symbol on here all the way around, which is nice. This looks like a locking mechanism right here. I would imagine that's for the lid. You want to just pull it to release the lid. Comes with an extra long cord here. So when you place this down, you run it over to your tank. All right, pretty cool. Here's the dial. Nice ignition click. Let's take a look here. Looks like we got a handle and some hardware, and it even comes with a little wrench. So let's do this real quick. Take our handle right through here. Put a washer. Get another washer. Then you get your two nuts. Tighten that up. Tighten this one up. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. This was purchased at Costco. I actually got this as a gift from my sister. I want to thank you again. It's pretty cool. Tighten this up real well with the little wrench provided. Okay. Let's just take a look at this bad boy. It's a nice looking unit. All right, so it just goes through it, putting the handle on like I did. All right. Once you put the handle on, you're going to basically take the stones and just put them literally right on top of here. So we'll take the bag, we'll open it up. We'll take the stones, we'll open these up. Kind of just dump these right on top. Look at that. Kind of make it look nice and even throughout. There you got the lid. And all we have to do now is just hook it up to the propane tank. You're just going to connect it to your propane tank. You got that long extension. You can hide it, do whatever you want with it if you're on a campsite, or put it around something. And you just come over, you turn this dial here, and lights right up, sparks up, and you can see the flame. Pretty nice. Gives off some nice heat. And you have, if you look on your lid, you have this little spacer here, or this little, this is for the lock, and you have a little lip here, so you want to put the lip inside this little groove like this, and then you come down here, give it some room with your stone, and you want to catch it in the little groove there. You see how it locks in place? So you can actually lift this up and walk around the campsite, or carry it from the truck to wherever you want to put it. Not bad. Then when you want to take it off, you just pull this little lever here and lift up. Pretty cool. Just come over, turn the dial. There you go. Then you can just, position your stones. I'll tell you what, it's cool. It's pretty solid. Doesn't feel too cheap. And it's very, very simple to set up. That's it. Take a ride to Costco if you're into these. Pick one up for maybe a gift. And it is that time of year. It's getting a little cold out. So these are nice to use when you're sitting outside. All right? We will definitely catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, where are you, kid? Sonny! There he is. And you can adjust the flame, obviously. Go a little bit lower. You can crank it up to the left. And there you go. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.